office, folks. Step into my office as I walk towards the river slowly but surely along the foots, going towards Mount Rainier out here in Ording. Tuesday morning. Pretty fucking cool adventure on the way to the river. Check this out. This dude's fucking bitching. Hell yeah, it's badass. Let's get it. Hopefully I get me a salmon. If you can see that white stake way the fuck at the end of the fucking thing, past that tree, that's where I walked from all the way to fucking here so far. I think I'm about halfway there. There's some people to the trees now. Long ass walk to the river, but hopefully I get a fish because then it'll be so worth it. So worth it. Let's keep on rolling. Fucking beautiful day at the river. Let's go. Shit's fucking awesome. He's fly fishing. So, look at that big rock on the river. Hell yeah, this shit looks lit. Holy shit. I'm excited. So glad. Never fished this shit before. See if we got fish. I saw salmon eggs on the rock over there. Let's see. That shit's where I want to be. Can't tell yet. This is awesome, fucking beautiful Mother Nature walk. I feel like I'm in Montana hunting on the Yellowstone. That's what's cool about this. That was a fun fucking trip. I wish I had more videos of some of those hunting trips. Could have podcast episodes. Would have been fucking lit. Hopefully I can go this year. I'll be the last hurrah for my dad going hunting. He's 80 now. So he's getting old like the rest of his friends. Son's got a fucked up back and shit. So who knows how much longer we got going, but this is beautiful. Here at the river, checking it out. Hell yeah. Haven't seen anything swim by yet. We'll walk across right here. See if we can get anything good. In the deep area right here. Let's go. I don't think it's too deep. We'll find out in a second. Making my waders. Don't smell. Feel like I don't. If I walk slow, I don't need them. Hell yeah, I don't need them. Perfect. Perfect depth. I don't need my waders. So that was cool. Now I have to put those on. It's a nice little spot right here on the rocks. Hell yeah, we got it. We got it. Nice little spot. Let's try it right here. Let's try it right here. Here got my stuff. I'm beginning fishing. Hell yeah. Let's try it right here. Feels like this kind of gangster spot. Here we go, folks. Let's try it. Yeah, out here river fishing, pulling the river. Couple guys way down there. Got my line in the water, hoping to hook a salmon. Out here on the Broken Carbonado River. Hell yeah. This is good shit. I love fishing out here in the morning. Fucking October 1st. Hell yeah. Let's fucking rock and roll. Fucking playoffs start today. Baseball. Braves fucking got the job done and made it. So what? They got a chance to win the World Series again. Let's go Braves. Game 1's tonight. But anyways, enjoy the fucking best of views and fishing here at the river. Hopefully I land me a badass fish. Hell yeah. Alright. I had a snake, so I gotta tie a new hook on my line. This rock, chuck, bucktail jig. See if it helps me get a salmon at the river. Hell yeah. Time to tie this bitch on and get back to fishing. Dude's about to land a fish. That's fucking sick. Hell yeah. That's fucking dope. That's fucking rad. This dude's landing a fucking fish. It's fucking awesome. Hell yeah. That's good shit. I'm just fucking seeing it. That's crazy. Oh yeah, that's a big ass fish. Fucking sick. Hell yeah, get it. That's pretty cool. Just parasailing over the river in this slider thing. That's fucking rad. Nice. That's cool. Nice view of the mountain over there. That's fucking awesome. That's pretty cool. Yeah. Pretty fucking rad. Nice. Let's keep going. Some more fishing. Giant. Get him out right here. See that's catching up. Get him down there. It's got like 3 already. Catch some goddamn fish. I wonder if that's the fucking one we're walking this way. Find out. Motherfucking OG, homie. Can't tell that's a dude or a chick. This guy fucking slaughtering him over there. God damn, he got hella fish. Fucking bastard. Must be nice. Fucking limit, huh?
Hey, we should hit the hatchery hole. That's what they're pulling out.
Is that where is it at?
Yeah, it's shallow, but there's a couple deep spots.
How far is it?
Well, let me cross over. Let me just set my shit up.
Yeah, you're good. Cross over.
Yeah, this shit was nice. I didn't know that. That's it's rare.
It's fucking
Just
dope.
take a picture of the fish, not me.
That's fucking cool.
Fuck.
That's
Swap around because he's gonna get hit.
That's fucking cool. I've never
That's
seen
rare,
a
bro.
fish like that. It's a dolly. What's it called?
Dolly Barton.
Dolly Barton. That's fucking dope. Nice. That's cool. That's pretty badass. Nice.
Fucking feisty.
That's crazy. You caught him hella big. It's a pretty ass fish.
Yeah, take this photo real quick of just the.
The Dolly Varden is a species of salmon. It's native to cold water tributaries of the Pacific Ocean in Asia and North America. In the past, it has been mistaken for a species of trout, the Dolly Varden.
Alright, trying to land us some fucking fish out here. Let's see what fucking we can do. Different part of the river. Walked around that band of the mountains over there out in the distance. See what's popping out here.
Another one.
This one's big, isn't it?
You need to come back with some eggs.
Right. Cool. It's a good view of the mountain from here.
Eggs and bother.
Oh yeah. See. Suppose the river is probably too shallow right here. Found it anyways. Let me see that was really nice. Look at the fish. Got too hot. Hell yeah, let's get it. It's too fucking hot. Right down. It's nice out there. This guy catches random ass shit. What did you catch now?
Bro, look at this shit. Oh shit.
Whoa, what is it?
It was a fish's jaw, like a fucking.
What?
Yeah, like a king's head. I got him right in the mouth somehow.
Damn, that's crazy.
I thought it was like a piece of wood at first, and then I thought it was a rock, and I was like, oh shit, it's a fucking dead ass fish.
That's crazy. That's cool. That's crazy.
I was right into this fucking rock, so I thought I got him so good. And it started moving when I set the hooks up.
Damn. Hella leaves falling, that's dope. Yeah, I've seen them catching, who knows? That's cool. That's confetti! That's tight.
The pink fish.
Oh, it's pinks next year. It's every other year, huh?
Yeah, it really is.
That's really cool. Get on out of here. That's fun. Too bad you didn't get no fish. Wah, wah.